And now to our cover story. According to the National Fire Protection Association, holiday decorations were the first thing to ignite in close to 800 home fires, as reported between 2015 and 2019. Many people have fire extinguishers around their house, of course, but the question is, do most of us know how to actually use it? We put some moms to the test.
These women are battling a kitchen fire. Fortunately, it's a controlled test created just for them.
Oh my gosh. No.
But when a fire breaks out, would you know how to use a fire extinguisher? To find out, we set up a fire safety challenge for 4 New Jersey moms under the careful control of firefighters at the Bergen County Fire Academy. First into the fire, Susie Fine says she keeps one in the kitchen for her family of 4.
We're going to put you to the test. Put out that fire.
At first, she struggles to pull the pin, but once she gets it free, she's able to move in and quickly extinguish the fire. Up next, mom of 2, Jen Altman, has 2 fire extinguishers at home.
Put out that fire.
Okay, here we go. Shoot. Oh my
She
God.
also struggles with the pin and nozzle.
Careful where you point that.
I know, right? My house is going to burn.
And has to step in close as she aims at the top of the flames first, but then corrects herself and is able to sweep the base of the fire, putting it out after 33 seconds.
I learned that I need to be more prepared.
Experts say you should stand back to prepare the fire extinguisher and then move in as the flames go down. Up next, Judy Sika
Come on in.
says they have extinguishers, but admits she's not sure how to actually use one.
Oh, God. Oh, and there's a lock on it.
She forgets to pull the
I
pin,
don't know how to do it.
but with a bit of help is finally able to douse the flames after a nail-biting 44 seconds. Though experts caution that if you can't put out a fire in 30 seconds, you should get out.
The fire doubles in size every 30 seconds. It's so important to act as quickly as you can. Dial 911, get the fire extinguisher, aim at the fire, try to put the fire out, and then leave.
Up last, mom of 4, Lisa Auntie, has 3 fire extinguishers at home.
Put out that fire right over there.
But once she gets the extinguisher,
Oh, I can pull the pin.
she struggles for almost 20 seconds
I can't get it.
before she is able to tug it free and put out the blaze.
When putting out a fire, remember the word pass. First, pull the pin. Then, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side.
But before you even reach for that extinguisher, firefighters say the first thing you need to do is call 911.
So important, make that call first. And you should keep at least 1 fire extinguisher on each floor of your home. And by the way, we did ask some dads to participate, and they bailed out on us. So
Wow.
I don't know,
Really? I was wondering.
I don't know what that says
I
about
was
the dads.
wondering.
Yeah.